वल्लाहु मुतिम्मु नूरिही वलौ करिहल काफिरून हुवल्लज़ी अरसला रसूलहु बिल हुदा व दीनिल हक़्क़ि लियुज़हिरहु अला दीनि कुल्लिही वलौ करिहल मुश्रिकून. And because, don't think that this ayah number 9 of Surah As-Saf, it was fulfilled in the days of the Prophet. Although it was fulfilled, the deen of Allah became dominant, but only in the Arabian Peninsula. And Muhammad was not sent for the Arabian Peninsula, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Nor was he sent for any Arab nation. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا كَافَّةً لِلنَّاسِ بَشِيرًا وَنَذِيرًا. Actually, his mission will be accomplished fully when this Deenul Haq becomes dominant over the whole of the globe. And this is what these ahadith are foretelling. It will happen. And then the purpose of the advent of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will be accomplished fully.